Hello 12. Our 2 marks questions on determinant not yet completed. Let us complete the 2 marks part. 2 marks questions. Next question, sum number 8. Up to sum number 7 we have already completed in last video. Next, sum number 8. What's the question? Determinant a plus 1, a plus 4, a plus 2, a plus 2, a plus 5, a plus 4, a plus 3, a plus 6, a plus 6 is equal to 0. Everything in row wise. Okay, we have to prove this is equal to 0. Now, let us change second column and the third column. C2 dashed equals to C2 minus C3. This operation we will give, and the third column C3 dashed equal to C3 minus C1 we will give. Then what we will get? We will get a plus 1, a plus 1, a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3, and the second column means a plus 4 minus a plus 2. So a minus a will be cancelled, 4 minus 2 will give us 2. Similarly, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 6 minus 6 equals to 0. And C3 dash equals C3 minus C1. So a plus 2 minus a plus 1. A minus a will be cancelled, 2 minus 1 equals to 1. 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Okay. Next, what we will get? First row, that is a plus 1, 2, 1. First row we will change. First row, that means R1 dash equals to R1 minus R2, and second row again we will change, that is second row R2 dash equals to R2 minus R3. New second row is R2 minus R3. So R1 minus R2. So a plus 1 minus a plus 2. A minus a will be cancelled. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Similarly, second row R2 minus R3. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. And the third row will remain same. That is a plus 3, 0, minus 1. Now look. First row, that is minus 1, 1, minus 1. Second row minus 1, 1, minus 1. Again, two identical rows. When two identical rows, so R1 equals to R2. So we can put the value as 0 since we know the property. If any two rows or any two columns are identical, then the value of the determinant will be 0. Next, sum number 11. What's the question? A square BC, B square CA, C square AB is equal to 1 A square A cube, 1 B square B cube, 1 C square C cube. This only we have to prove. Now, let us multiply the first row with A, second row with B, and the third row with C. Then, when we are going to multiply the first row, so we have to divide this by A. When we are going to multiply the second row by B, so we have to divide this by B. Going to multiply the third row as C. Then we have to divide this again by C. So what we will get outside the determinant? 1 by ABC, and inside the determinant A will be A square will be A cube, BC will be ABC. Similarly, the other elements also will be changed. Now, third column we get ABC, ABC, ABC. Take this ABC outside the determinant. So ABC by ABC, and the determinant element will be A square A cube 1, B square B cube 1, C square C cube 1. Got it? Now, this is ABC by ABC, it will be only 1. Now, A square, B square, C square, the first column, there will be no change. Only we will change the second column and the third column. Interchanging, so value will be minus. Again, the second column and the first column. So, it will be 1, 1, 1, A square, B square, C square, A cube, B cube, C cube minus into minus plus. So, we have to prove this only. Next, sum number. Next, sum number 13. It's a very good sum. Sum number 13. What's the question? Cos x minus a, cos x plus a, cos x, and sin x plus a, sin x minus a, sin x, and here cos a, tan x, cos a, cot x, and cosec 2x. This determinant is equal to 0. This only we have to prove. Okay, we'll start from the again left hand side. Okay, Now let us apply first column plus second column. So first column plus second column means cos x minus a plus cos x plus a. What's the value? Cos x minus a, that means cos c plus cos d. What's the formula? Cos c plus cos d. Formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That already we did in class 11. And second one, sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d formula. Sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This formula we will apply. Okay. Now, cos x minus a plus cos x plus a will apply this formula and we will get 2 cos x. Cos c plus d, that means x minus a plus x plus a divided by 2. Plus minus a will be cancelled. X plus x will be 2x. 2x by 2, it is only cos x. So it will be 2 cos x. 2 cos x cos a. 2 cos x cos a. Okay. And here it will be sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d, that is x plus a plus x minus a. Plus a minus a will cancel. Sin 2x by 2. So it will be 2 sin x. And cos c minus d, that is x plus a minus x minus plus a. Plus x minus x will be cancelled and it will be only cos a. So it will be 2 sin x cos a. And the last cos a tan x plus cot x. Why? Because cos a tan x plus cos a cot x, common cos a, we will get tan x plus cot x inside the bracket. And the second column will remain same. So it is cos x plus a, it is sin x plus x minus a, it is cos a cot x. And it is also same, that is sin x, and it is cosec 2x. Okay. Now take common 2 cos a. Let us change this part first. Tan x plus cot x. What's the value of tan x plus cot x? And the operation what we have given, always you have to write the operation what you are giving here. Always remember this. Without operation, don't try to do this. Tan x plus cot x. Tan x means sin x by cos x. And cot x means cos x by sin x. Do the LCM, then we will get sin x cos x, and here it will get sin square x plus cos square x, that is equals to 1 by sin x cos x. Multiply both numerator denominator by 2, the 2 by 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x means sin 2x. So it is coming 2 by sin 2x. So it is equal to, we can write 2 cosec 2x. 1 by sin x, we know that is equals to cosec x. So 1 by sin 2x will be cosec 2x. So we can write 2 cosec 2x instead of this. Then take common 2 cos a. Then what we will get here? We will get here cos x. Here it is sin x. And after calculation part, we will get cosec 2x. Second column remains same. So it is cos x plus a. It is sin x minus a. It is cos a cot x. And the third column cos x, sin x, cosec 2x. Cosec 2x. See, first column cos x, sin x, cosec a, and third column is cos x, sin x, cosec. Since these two columns are equal, so these are identical, so the value of the determinant is again 0. It's very, very important property. Next sum number 15. This is the last sum for 2 marks questions. We have to prove 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power 4, 5 cube, 5 to the power 4, 5 to the power 5, 5 to the power 4, 5 to the power 6, 5 to the power 7. That is equal to 0. That again we have to prove. Okay, from the first row we can take common 5 square. From the second row we can take common 5 cube. And from the third row we can take common 5 to the power 4. Then what we will get? 5 square taken out, so it's coming 1. 5 squared, so it is coming only 5, and then it is 5 square. And here 1, 5, 5 square again. It is 5 cube taken out, so 1, 5, 5 square. And the third one, 1, 5 square, 5 cube. Since first two rows identical, so the value of the determinant again 0. Again here we have already applied the same property. Okay, now class 12 2 marks questions all completed. Let us come back with the next sums 4 marks questions in the next video. Bye.